Hey tech fans, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we have an exciting episode for you as we uncover all the juicy leaks and rumors about Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 series. From the base iPhone 16 to the powerhouse iPhone 16 Pro Max, let's see what Apple has in store for us this September. This year, Apple is set to launch 4 new iPhones: the iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Max. As the launch date in September 2024 approaches, the rumor mill is buzzing with exciting details. Let's start with the base model, the iPhone 16. The iPhone 16 and 16 Plus are expected to come with several key upgrades. According to leaks, both models will feature the new A18 Bionic chip, offering improved performance and energy efficiency. The display sizes will remain at 6.1 inches for the iPhone 16 and 6.7 inches for the iPhone 16 Plus, but with brighter OLED panels provided by Samsung Display. Camera improvements are also anticipated, with both models likely sporting upgraded sensors for better low-light performance and more accurate color reproduction. And of course, they'll run on the latest iOS 18, bringing new features and enhancements to the user experience. Now, let's move on to the iPhone 16 Pro. The Pro model is rumored to feature a 6.1-inch display, but with a higher refresh rate of 120 Hz, making everything from scrolling to gaming smoother. The A18 Pro chip will power this device, promising even better performance and efficiency. One of the standout features is the camera system. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to come with a triple lens setup, including a new 48MP main sensor and improved ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto lens with enhanced zoom capabilities. Plus, there's talk of a new LiDAR scanner for augmented reality applications and better low-light photography. And finally, the beast in the lineup, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This model will likely feature a stunning 6.7-inch OLED display with promotion technology and a peak brightness that's off the charts. Under the hood, it'll be powered by the A18 Pro Max chip, ensuring top-notch performance for the most demanding tasks. Rumors suggest that the iPhone 16 Pro Max will also have an exclusive camera feature, a periscope zoom lens that offers up to 10x optical zoom. This could make it the ultimate device for mobile photography enthusiasts. Additionally, we might see advancements in battery technology, including a stainless steel battery case for easier replacements and increased battery life. Alongside the iPhone 16 series, Apple will also launch iOS 18. This new OS version is expected to bring a host of new features, including enhanced privacy settings, new customization options, and improvements to Apple's existing apps like Messages, Photos, and Safari. We're also hearing about potential updates to Apple's AR capabilities, which could be a game-changer for future app development. With all these exciting leaks and rumors, the iPhone 16 series is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated releases of the year. Whether you're looking for cutting-edge performance, stunning displays, or advanced camera features, it seems like Apple will have something for everyone. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the iPhone 16 series and other tech news. Drop a comment below and let us know which iPhone 16 model you're most excited about. Until next time, stay tech savvy.